Dude, it's a quadruple rainbow. Freaking out. Check that shit out. There's one up there that you can barely see. There's one right there, one under it, and one under that you can barely see. 4 rainbows. Oh my god.
You're wigging out?
I'm wigging out. Oh my god. What does it mean? Quadruple rainbow. Oh my god, what does it mean? Freaking out.
How many rainbows?
4. 4. One up there, one down there, one under that, and one under that. 4, Bill.
4 rainbows. Nessa's losing it. How many rainbows?
4. 4.
Wow. Anyways, like I was saying, suck on that, double rainbow boy.
Suck on